Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili sauce for kebabs. First, select about 5 to 7 fresh red chilies, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. These form the aromatic foundation. Next, choose 2 ripe tomatoes and a splash of white vinegar for a tangy kick. Finally, have ready 1 teaspoon of sugar and a half teaspoon of salt to perfectly balance the sauce's taste profile. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Roughly chop your 5 to 7 red chilies, 2 garlic cloves, and the 1-inch ginger piece. Do the same for your 2 ripe tomatoes. Place all these chopped items into a blender. Add about 1/4 cup of water to help the blending process. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth, ensuring no large chunks remain for a perfect sauce texture. It's time to cook our delicious sauce. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Pour in the blended chili mixture. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until it thickens to your desired consistency. This slow cooking develops deep, rich flavors. For the final touches, taste your sauce and adjust the seasoning. You might want to add a pinch more salt or a half teaspoon of sugar to achieve your preferred balance. Once satisfied, remove the sauce from the heat and let it cool completely. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Enjoy your fresh, homemade kebab chili sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.